Imagine opening Yahoo Finance and seeing this, SPAX.PVT, SpaceX. A price, a chart, a company name everyone knows, and suddenly you think, wait, can I buy SpaceX stock now? But here's the twist. Seeing a ticker does not always mean there is a normal buy button. SpaceX is not the same as Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, or Amazon. The most important part of this symbol is PVT, which usually means private. So, today let's break down what this page actually means in simple language. Quick note, this video is for education only. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. When a company is public, regular investors can usually buy shares through a brokerage account, but SpaceX is privately held, which means its shares are not freely available to everyone. Yahoo Finance may still show private company data like estimated valuation, funding history, and sector information. Think of it like seeing an expensive house online. You can see the value, but that doesn't mean you can buy it. Now, why is SpaceX so valuable? Because it is not just one business story. First, SpaceX launches satellites, cargo, and missions for commercial and government customers. Second, there is Starlink, the satellite internet business that brings internet from space. Third, there is Starship, the giant rocket system connected to SpaceX's future ambitions. So investors are not only looking at rockets, they are looking at satellite internet, launch contracts, and future space infrastructure. That's why SpaceX's valuation gets so much attention. But here's the investing lesson. A cool company is not automatically a good investment at any price. You can have a great company, but if the price is too high, the investment can still be risky. Rockets are exciting, valuation is math, and math does not care how cool the rocket looks. Private shares are usually owned by founders, employees, early investors, venture funds, and certain qualified investors. Sometimes private shares trade in secondary markets, but access can be limited and complicated. One big risk is liquidity. Private shares can be harder to sell than public stocks. Another risk is information. Public companies report detailed financials. Private companies usually reveal much less. Private valuations can depend on funding rounds, secondary transactions, estimates, and data provider models. And when the company is famous, hype can become dangerous. Before investing in anything exciting, ask, do I actually understand what I'm buying? For most working-class investors, the foundation comes first. Emergency fund, debt plan, retirement accounts, and diversified investing. The best investment is not always the most exciting one. Sometimes boring consistency builds more wealth than chasing famous names. If SpaceX ever goes public, the conversation changes, but the caution stays the same. IPOs can be volatile. Prices can jump, fall, and move unpredictably. Ask yourself, do I understand the business, the risks, my timeline, and whether this fits my plan? So, SPAX.PVT is a private company quote listing. It's not the same as a normal public stock ticker. Be curious, but be careful. SpaceX is fascinating, but your financial foundation comes first. Would you invest in SpaceX if it became public, or would you wait and watch first? Comment below and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.
If this helped you see money differently, hit that like button and subscribe because I break down money in a way that actually makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.